Hey, shout out to y'all, man. I was able to add these to the collection for the low, man. And shout out to BTSN for always having a good sale on Adidas, man. As y'all already know, the BTSN slogan. Yeah. Yeah. Dope dealer. I'm a big fan of BTSN if you didn't know. BSTN, sorry. Got the name wrong. How am I a fan and I don't even know what the company name is? It's crazy. These ended up being $96. Then, of course, shipping, but, you know. From retail to 96 beans, man, you can't beat that. You see another Adidas box. 3 stripe boys. Black box, you already know what time it is. Another crazy one. Another Kobe PE in the collection. And I had to get the Laker away colorway, man. Whew. Go ahead and get into it. I know this is not a fan favorite, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet because y'all not going to watch it anyway. But yeah, you get that all black. Kind of like the Adidas version of like the foam material, which that black, I don't know, the black one looks crazy. Like the Stormtrooper, I thought the Stormtrooper was clean, but this black, man, with that sheen on it is wild. Then you get the purple hits. You get the purple eyelets right there. All black laces. Hopefully, okay. So unlike the Stormtrooper, you just get a fully black lace, no two-tone. And then you get the chrome aglets, lace tips. And on the back on the heel, you get that purple Adidas branding as well as the yellow hit right there. And then on the inside, you get that, you know, that faux leather and purple with that cushion, you know, real bulky up there. You get the Adidas logo. You get the full purple outsole traction pad. You get the hits right there. I'm assuming for like the 3 stripes, so you get 3 little pods right there. Another Adidas branding, and you get that torsion. I guess the torsion is like the, okay, that's the comfort system, so it's the torsion system. And yeah, as you can see, man, there's not much to the shoe. It's just super clean. And these were worn by Kobe. I did not know he wore these. I knew he wore the Stormtroopers, the all yellow joints, I want to say the silver ones, and then the Lakers home, which is basically the white version of this. But since I had the Stormtrooper, I figured, you know, there was no need to get that one, so I was waiting on these to go on sale. But if the Laker home goes on sale for like $60, 50 or 60, I'm definitely going to add those two. But this pair right here, regardless of it being a Kobe PE or not, I mean, it's a black Laker colorway, and I'm a fan of those. And then if I haven't mentioned, you get the Adidas branding or embroidery on the tongue in purple on that black tongue. I go true to size on these. A true size 12. So whatever you wear in Nikes or Adidas, stick with that. You should be straight. These are definitely a bulky shoe, so I would advise you to wear something baggier. You know what I'm saying, on the baggy side with these. I wouldn't like wear any skinny jeans or like anything like fitted. This is definitely something that you know you want the pants to cover cover the shoe. I think it'll look crazy with anything other than baggy jeans. I mean, shorts, I guess, because they're technically ball and shoe, and Kobe actually wore shorts with these, but I don't know if I would personally. Maybe I do like some cutoff joints, some cutoff sweats or whatever, like a little longer. But that's just me. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about these. I think I'm done with the crazy one, man. Oh no, I lied. There's like a mint green pair coming out this fall or this holiday season. And they remind me of the Cut and J LeBron 10s, which I traded for a pair of 18s, which I'm not mad I got rid of them. But if I can get this color, well, this shoe and that colorway, I probably will. As long as it goes on sale, I'm not paying full price on them. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the shoe. Did you go after them? Do you not care about them? Are you tired of Adidas dropping these Kobe's? Just like whatever your thoughts are on the shoe. Or the sneaker game in general, man. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on. Let me know down in the comments below, man. I'll definitely reply to everybody. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Catch y'all in the next one.